Hello, pal number one. Welcome to your reading. Today, we are doing a pick a card reading for any messages from your plants at home, whether it's your garden, your backyard, the plants you water at home, inside your home, outside of your home. I was inspired by I've seen some readers talk about messages from your pets, from your home. And I saw someone, I don't remember who it was, someone do a messages from your car. I thought that was cool. I don't know who it was, but it was on Instagram. But I see, I love her readings. Amy, the infamous Amy. I love her readings. I love her. She recently did some on like messages from your pets, from your home, which is, something you don't think about often. Our house is, it becomes kind of an extension of energy. And, we think about our home, it is, supporting us, protecting us. And I thought we could do one for plants. The plants you water, you take care of. The grass, in your front yard, in your backyard. So far we have... Oh, and when I was thinking about this, pick a card reading, I was drawn to this deck, the Self-Care Oracle, because I just got like this very, very loving, very grounding, very peaceful energy from, from nature, from the plants. They want us to take care of ourselves. So far we have make a vision board, ground yourself, alone time, sound healing, connect with crystals, spend time with friends, so make a vision board. So the plants or nature that is around you, they have, I'm hearing they have been watching you. They watch you, not in a weird way, but they're kind of like, I kind of feel like this grounding, this how you would, take care of your child or your little younger sibling, or just because they know you, they appreciate you watering them or taking care of them or just appreciating them. And they see that you're a very inspiring person. I was first drawn to this little poster. It says, be an inspiration. So this reminds me of like being in your purpose. Being in, I feel like a lot of it, I feel like the purpose of, humans is to work together to uplift everyone. And it may sound cheesy, but if we think about it, there's not much of that. There's a lot of lack of empathy. And yeah, that's very needed. And the plants want you to work on that. Because, we need you. Maybe also connect with the moon cycles, connect with the moon. Just maybe connect with, maybe listen to like language whenever there's a full moon, there's a new moon. I know there's a lot of creators, a lot of I listen to, I don't remember, Katarina, or don't remember her name, but there's a particular creator who does a light language for, and I know there's a lot, but I listen to hers. She makes light languages for every new moon, any full moon for us to hear, so we can accelerate our ascension process. If you are, can resonate with that, or just help us with our current energy, what we're going through. I love these little images. There's a little heart there, painting of a sunset. Maybe go see the sunset, the sunrise. There's a palm, maybe palm reading. I know I've been getting into reading palmistry. There's a third eye. Makeup. If you like makeup, I know I like doing my makeup because it makes me feel nice. I like to look put together when I go to work. I try to make time for it so I can feel my best at work and to, feel better doing my work. What is this? I think this is like a painting. If you like to paint. Whenever I tell people, you should paint, you should draw. Oh, I don't know how. I'm not good at it. You don't need to be good at it or a professional to paint. So just try it. It says, I am healing. I believe in me. Oh my god. I'm getting very emotional. I can feel the energy of the plants. And if you connect with them, you will too. With Mother Gaia. So this energy of them wanting you to believe in yourself, because they want to connect with you. They love you. We have practicing yoga. So I've been seeing a lot of TikToks where stretching will help you release trauma, and I've been doing a lot of stretching because I want to be more flexible, and it makes me feel at peace. We have listened to your heart. So yeah, I was listening to, there's another creator I really look up to. I love their work. Mariah. This is Mariah. And she connects with her higher self through hypnosis. And what she said in one of her podcast episodes or videos is that if, the fact that we're not connecting with the earth, or not connecting with the animals, we're how do I say this? We're using them for our food. It means we're lacking empathy. And I felt that with this, with the color green here in nature. We also have, what does it say? I don't know what that says, but that kind of looks like a woman. I don't know, it reminds me of Atlantis, a goddess. Emotions. I'm not sure. In here, picture with family or friends. So connect with your friends, with your family. And we have ground yourself. So So yeah, connect with Earth, connect with Gaia. With these roots, we can work with Gaia. Ouch. And she's providing us with a home with resources. I think the least we can do is connect with her and feel her energy. I know me, I've been trying to transition into a vegan diet, but it's been a little hard because I also need to have a gluten sensitivity, so I need to also slowly get rid of gluten. And I've been trying for like 2 years. It's kind of hard. But I mostly want to, the main reason is because eating meat is not for me. It really disrupts my body, and so does gluten. But because I want to, I feel, connection to the animals. We have alone time. I just felt like I needed to take a deep breath. So yeah, I love my alone time. I love just connecting with myself. But if I'm alone for too long, I get a little depressed. So I definitely need to go out and have walks, go out with nature, go out to nature. So yeah, connect with the world, the universe, connect with everything around you. Go to the beach or a river if you can. Connect with water. Connect with the water you have. Saying things to the water you have. With the sun. Deep breathing. I need to take deep breaths. Oh, we have chanting. She's in a chanting. Like a yoga position. So yeah, definitely try yoga. Chanting, deep breathing. We have sound healing. Maybe getting a sound bowl if that resonates with you, if you're interested. I know they're really cute. I like them. I love the sound. It's so relaxing. We have connect with crystals, with any crystals you have. Crystals are found in nature, and they have their own consciousness, they're beings on their own. They're powerful, have information. Oh my god, I just remembered. This one time, where did I go? I went to Vegas, I think. And I went inside a shop that was full of crystals. They were just selling crystals. And they had beautiful crystals. They were like the size of like a car. No, not a car. Like a stove or something. They have small ones, all sizes. And I remember I saw I don't know what type it was, but it was all black. A black crystal. It was like the size of like a laptop. And I was like, oh wow, it's so pretty. And I go to touch it, and I immediately start sensing like a sting, like electricity, like I'm being electrocuted, and I'm like, ow. And I realized that was the crystal's way of saying, don't touch me. Why are you touching me? Who gave you permission to touch me? And I was like, oh, I'm sorry. But that, connecting with crystals, being grateful for them, asking them for help. Yeah. Oh my god, I forgot about that. That was funny. We have spend time with friends. So yeah, spend time with friends. whether it's online or in person, with those who you connect with, maybe who also like tarot, who like painting. Yeah. Maybe you have friends who also like tarot, who like, astrology, and maybe you like to talk about conspiracy theories. But yeah, the plants want you to take these into consideration, work on these, oh my god, and I keep looking at this drawing my sister made me. It reminds me of like this card with the rainbow. Let me see. I like looked up and I forgot I had it on my wall. It has like a little tree. Can I show? And a rainbow. So cute. This was like 5 years ago. Alright, pile number 1, that was your reading. Thank you so much for watching. My Etsy is down below if you want a reading. Have a good day. Hello, pile number 2. Welcome to your reading. I'm doing a reading on messages from your plants, the ones you water at home, inside, outside, your garden, your backyard, your front yard, just plants around you that you pass by often. I was inspired by some readers. There's a reader, her name is Amy the Infamous on YouTube, and I love her readings. She just did a reading on messages from your house, from your pets, and I also saw a reader, I don't remember who it was, but they had a reading on messages from your car. I thought that was really cool. Yeah. And I was drawn to this deck because I just felt, the energy of nature, Mother Gaia, just the consciousness of plants, just they want us to take care of ourselves, to work on ourselves, because they see us working, and yeah. So we have ground yourself, build strength, make a meal, positive affirmations, health checkup, and create art. So, if you're coming from pile number 1, there was a card about making a vision board. So I feel like I need to say this for this pile as well. So yeah, make a vision board about what inspires you. I know I like to go on Pinterest and get inspired by like outfits, scheduling, being productive. And that helps me, kind of pushes me to be productive and work on what I want to do. It can be about, making food, having recipes there, having workouts there, affirmations. So I really recommend going on Pinterest for that. Maybe having it on your phone, your computer. We have ground yourself. So yeah, go outside in nature. Nature wants to connect with you. You can even sit down on the grass, on the park, ground yourself with nature. You know, if you can't meditate, if you're not comfortable doing that, you know, just sit there and read, or just take a walk. But definitely try to do that, you know, 5 minutes a day, or make some time for it during the week. You know, it always makes me feel better when I'm trying to do something like this for myself. We have to build strength. So I think about, you know, exercise. If you've been trying to get into like boxing, taekwondo, jiu-jitsu, is that even a thing? That's I just thought of the anime Jujutsu Kaisen. Yeah, exercising, doing weights, but also, you know, metaphorically speaking, building strength is I'm being brought to like not being afraid to do something new. For example, even small things. I don't know who said that. I don't know where I got this from, but like trying to do something different every day will, you know, build courage for you to do, you know, believe in yourself. You know, if you're like tired of the routine, definitely change it up. I know, like, routine, doing the same thing, I mean, it helps. But if you're not liking it, definitely changing it up. I know I don't like just working and going home doing nothing. I mean, that's fine. That's totally fine. Sometimes I do that because I'm tired. But there are times where I do that and I feel depressed because I'm not doing something different. I'm not doing what I want. And it's okay if you're doing that, but doing some simple things that will definitely, you know, build up that strength, that courage. For example, I've been trying to park in different parts of the parking lot at work. I used to always park in the same two spaces right next to each other, but now I try to change it up. And that definitely helps. Like, oh, okay, what else can I do? What else can I do differently? You know, get you out of your comfort zone. We have make a meal. I know I like making, you know, myself some food. I know I've been going on Instagram because I've been trying to figure out how, you know, recipes for being vegan and gluten free. And it's been a little hard. So I go on Instagram to get ideas, and there's a lot. So there's, you know, dietary restrictions you have. Make yourself a meal with, you know, maybe you need to make yourself some food because fast food isn't good for you, and it triggers your allergies. And definitely try that. I heard from a TikTok, you know, I don't know if it's true, but it probably is, where eating food that you didn't make, you know, lowers your vibration. And I feel like that's true because whenever I cook, I feel productive. I put in the, you know, the good energy because I'm learning something, you know, and because I definitely believe, like, if you're in a bad mood, the food isn't gonna taste good. Like, when I've been, like, in a bad mood, or I'm mad at someone, the food turns out like really salty. So yeah, being conscious, just making your food. And I heard you can like put in your intentions as you cook, thinking about the colors. It's a whole different thing to the like spiritual meaning, lessons of fruits and vegetables. That's what book is that from? I forgot his name. I forgot his name, but he really he really pushed like the celery juice in the morning. I don't remember. Michael? No. The spiritual medium. I don't remember his name, but he was a spiritual medium. And I have his book. I didn't finish it. But in one of his books, he talked about like the spiritual lessons of each like fruit and vegetable. Like for bananas, like spiritual lesson of growing in a bunch, growing, with your family, bananas grow in a bunch and whatnot. I just went on a whole rant. Alright, so next one we have positive affirmations. I know I've been trying also to say positive affirmations every day. And I know for this, I get overwhelmed because there's just so many. So I've tried to like look for something that summarizes everything. And I found it, but I haven't memorized it yet. I forgot what it was. I think it was I am health, I am wealth. I'm able to... I forgot. But I'll post it if you guys are interested. I'll put it in the description box or something. I try to say that at least once a day or up to 3 times. How many ever times I can. Clearly it's not been enough because I haven't remembered it. But it's okay, whatever you think you need, I love myself, I'm worthy, I'm grateful, healthy, happy, brave, beautiful. I choose love. Because it also reminds me of like trying to love our bodies, because our body takes care of us. We wake up, we are, it helps us, get to places, use our hands, create stuff. We're very powerful, so I think it is a process, but trying to work on that. And at first I was like, oh, that's so cheesy, I don't need that. But we do. We need more of that. There's not enough of that in the world. And it's definitely changed my mindset. I feel so much better after I say affirmations. We have health checkup. So yeah, maybe go get your checkup with the doctor. Maybe if there's like a little pain, little concern you have, go have a checkup. Also take care of your teeth, take care of your body, drink water, see if you need any vitamins, if you're allergic to anything. We have create art. And whenever I tell people to create art, I said this in the first pile, but people say they're like, oh, I'm not good at art. Oh no, I'm bad at it. You don't have to be good at it to do it. It's okay to be a beginner. A lot of us don't know how to do a lot of things, and it's okay to try it. So yeah, try it. Maybe even do what is it? The color by number. I know those are good. I like doing those. Those are help me get my mind off things. I know I work with students and they like doing those. When, especially if they don't know what to do, if you just give them a blank page, a lot of them don't know what to do. So if you like give them color by number, that helps them a little. Yeah, we have alone time if you need alone time. Meditate, go near water, hear the rain if it's raining, where you're at, connect with the universe, astro traveling, but be careful if you're astro traveling. Yeah, being still, yeah, meditation, ground yourself. Hydrate yourself here with the water. Alright, that was messages from your plants. Or like the nature around you. They see you. Like you see them, and they can connect to energy, Nature's very wise. So these are messages from plants, from nature. Thank you so much for watching pile number 2, and have a good day. Hello, pile number 3. Welcome to your reading. I am doing a pick a card reading for messages from your plants, the ones you water at home, in your backyard, your front yard, or just plants you see, often, the ones that are around you, close to you. Just nature in general, Mother Gaia. I was drawn to this deck because connecting to the plants, I felt this very grounding, this very peaceful, magical energy from the plants, from nature. They see us, and they've observed us, and we're close to them, not in a bad way, but they're very wise. They know what we need. I get this very very friendly, protective energy from them. They want us to take care of ourselves like we take care of them, like we water them. And I was inspired by, even though nature is very alive. There was a reader, Amy. I love her readings. Amy the Infamous on YouTube. She did readings on messages from your home, messages from your pets. I know there was a reading on Instagram. I don't remember their name. But they did a reading on messages from your car. I thought that was really cool. So I thought, why not? From the nature around you, that sees you every day, the trees around your home, the plants you water at home. Yeah. We have make an altar. So spirit, the plants, they want you to maybe even connect with them through your altar when you're putting flowers. Maybe you have an altar and you put flowers for your ancestors, for your deities, but they want you to make an altar, and also be grateful for the plants you put on your altar as offering for the flowers. We have aromatherapy, maybe smelling the plants. Is this mint? Lavender? Yeah, appreciating the scent of the plants that do smell, like citrus, maybe having some herbs. I know I've been hearing on TikTok and also from the medical medium that, you know, these fragrances are, you know, very bad for us. The perfumes, the air fresheners, the car fresheners, they're really bad for us. So I've been thinking of like bringing some like dried herbs to help. You know, not only they're gonna help like ground me and but they're also gonna make my home or car smell better. So yeah, they want you to connect with them through smell, your senses, food even. We have clean your space. Yeah, so clean your room, clean your home. I know as someone who was like ADD, it's really hard for me. It was really hard for me. I didn't know what to do, how to keep my home clean. So maintaining a schedule, having a schedule, you know, also being flexible. But going on Pinterest and like looking at like cleaning schedules really motivates me. Cleaning TikToks. You know, my sibling, she loves cleaning and she looks at like cleaning TikToks. So that could motivate you. She's like 10. She really likes cleaning. We have be still, connect with nature, meditate in nature. Oh, we have meditate. Yeah, so being still, laying on the grass, sitting on the grass, grounding yourself after a hard day. Yeah, we have clear your energy field. You know, cleaning your space will help clear the energy, opening up the windows to let all the energy, all the stagnant energy, emotions, the smell. Maybe lighting some incense as well. We have look for fairies. So I thought it was raining. Look for fairies, yeah. Connect with the fairies. I know I just did a reading on messages from the fairies. I've never seen a fairy, but I've heard of stories of people seeing fairies in nature. Just connecting with nature, maybe researching about, you know, fairies or other beings of nature. Watching movies. I just saw the Tinkerbell movies in my mind. How they say they protect the nature, the seasons. Yeah. Take a walk in nature. Nourish your body. Nourish your temple. Because we're like a plant. You know, if we don't water ourselves, of course, we're gonna, you know, we're literally gonna die. But, you know, also metaphorically, if we don't take care of ourselves, we're not gentle with ourselves, we, you know, our energy will be depleted, and we might become depressed. Alright, part number 3, that was your reading. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.